Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is crucial for discovery and performance. Once done, enable your TV's screen mirroring or casting input so it can accept connections. Make sure location or network permissions on your phone are allowed, and turn on Bluetooth if the protocol needs pairing. You're now ready to discover the TV from your phone. Proceed immediately to initiate the connection from the phone's quick settings or display menu to avoid delays. From your phone, open the cast or screen mirroring control, often in quick settings or display options, and scan for devices. Tap the TV's name to start. If the TV shows a PIN, enter it on your phone to secure the link. Make sure to choose the correct display resolution or orientation if the phone prompts you, because matching resolution prevents lag and cropping. Once connected, check audio routing and close other heavy apps. This reduces contention and keeps the stream smooth while you mirror content. To finish, stop mirroring from the phone or choose the TV's stop input. This frees network resources. If the connection fails, restart the phone, TV, or Wi-Fi router to clear temporary states and retry the discovery step. Make sure both devices run updated firmware, and if intermittent lag persists, use a wired HDMI adapter or a dedicated streaming dongle for a stable link. If you still see no signal, check firewall or guest network isolation settings, because those can block local device discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.